Coconut Sambal. Hi everyone, today I am showing you how to make traditional Sri Lankan coconut sambal. Remove the husk and clean the coconut. Crack open the fresh coconut. Here we are using freshly grated coconut. You can substitute fresh coconut to desiccated coconut, but fresh coconut always tastes better. Grate the coconut using a coconut scraper. Add red chili flakes. If you don't like more spiciness, reduce the number of dried red chilies. And salt to the mortar. Bash and muddle them using the pestle until they combine well. Now add black pepper seeds and bash them again. Add onion and bash. Here we use large onion, but small onion give good taste to this sambal. After adding the onions, don't bash them for a long time because coconut sambal is tastier when onion pieces locate here and there. Add Maldive fish chips. Bash them to a good mix. Gradually add grated coconut and keep bashing them. This is one of the easiest Sri Lankan recipes you can make quickly at home. Taste the sambal and adjust salt if need. Add the lime juice and mix everything well. People prepare this dish very often for breakfast, lunch or dinner. The coconut sambal is the best combination with every food, especially with Sri Lankan rice and bread. Now, take off all the mixture to a plate or bowl. This is how to make an easy coconut sambal recipe at home. Serve and enjoy this Sri Lankan style pol sambal. We can use this with string hoppers, bread or rice. Thank you for watching.